another day, another vlog with the video stories. And for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa San Luis, Pampanga at ating nabisita ang Polars Rabbit Tree na kung saan nag-aalaga sila dito ng meat type and pet type na mga rabbits. Para malaman ang buong kwento ng farm na to, mag-follow lang sa YouTube channel ng Video Stories for more videos and stories.
Video stories, see them rise. Farmers and dreams reach the skies. Agribusiness, hearts inspire, changing lives with their fight.